Part 2, getting these weeklies down to try to get them scheduled. You might got some overgrown that could be one time you could turn it to a regular customer, and if you underestimate these ditches, you're gonna wish you priced it right. All right, so that's what I be talking about when the calls still be coming in. And all of them ain't gonna look pretty, but you can make the profits right. So I don't know if this goes all the way back to there. Should have brought the drone. The day I didn't bring the drone is the day I actually need it, because I'm not trying to walk back there, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get our price, get back, and do my dang thing. So, see how far back it goes. Pretty tall grass right there. Looks like you need brush hogging. We're gonna see if we can get the price on this thing for though. Now, the price will not be cheap. Gonna walk this whole property. It will not be cheap, and let me tell you why it will not be cheap. First go around, it's wet around here. Just got through renting this morning. I don't know if you could tell. First go around, you always have to charge more, especially on this thing. You'll see in just a second when I get around the front. You see the little island right here, how thick it is with grass. But let's we'll get over here. Yeah, I get this fixed on my trailer, guys. My light keep coming out. Look at this front yard. Look at this. So you see what's pretty much going on over here. And like I said, the price is right. I knock this thing out today. I will push off some stuff. She wants this done bad. I will push off some stuff and get this thing done today for the price is right. And this is what I talk about when I say quarter day price, half day price, 3/4 and a full day price. See what I'm saying? You gotta have different prices. Look at that right there, that ditch. That ditch is no joke. Get some pics of that, send them to her. I told her she had to wait till it dries, man. So, need to get around to the other side. Gotta find somewhere to walk through this overgrown yard. Looks like somebody kind of rode through it right here or something. Or it looks like somebody maybe attempted to try it and gave up on it, because you see it's just a clear path coming through here right here. So stinks, smells like something maybe dead on the property. Well, no, it ain't too bad. Maybe I just came through a funky spot. Maybe something used the bathroom on the property. So you see how this thing is looking. So I got one of my guys, give him a call. We might run this thing together, or I may knock this thing out by myself. So, I'm gonna give him a price. What would you shoot it at? And leave your comments. This thing's crazy. See what it's looking like. So, alright, so this is what I'm talking about with an estimate when you got a corner lot. So you see this is a whole corner right here. I'm about to get them a price. I'm gonna get back with them. But it's a corner lot, guys. And with a corner lot, you have to account for more. And this is why. Because this ditch right here. Yo, you got a ditch. You just have to account for more. Now the guy told me I won't have to go in the backyard because his dogs are back there. So let's see. Check out the message again. But you see, this is like, why wouldn't you take on something like this? Goes all right back to the back. See, we got a little baby jungle back there. But this is too much. This ain't too much or nothing for real. So that's what you're looking at. So guys, this is what I mean by getting up, getting out, be the fastest one on it. So the first estimate I already locked in. That big jungle you seen, that was $350 for the first cut. Now I'm gonna do that in a couple hours, maybe an hour and a half. Me and helper knock it out. Maybe an hour and a half we get that cleaned up. It won't take long at all. This one, it's the ditch. So once it get cleaned up, the ditch won't be no problem. So got a couple more we're gonna get to. All right, here we go. Here's another one. Guys out here trying to show y'all how to get it in, show you stuff you got to look for these estimates. Alright, now with this, you're gonna have this all over here. Gotta watch out for this. The more can go down there. We get the more down there. Some people funny about this. I don't know if you might want the ivy done or not. Let's see, yard not too soft. Fresh out the wet stuff, be able to mow this, no problem. That's what we got. That's why you gotta walk it good. All right, now it's soft back here, very soft. Now this property right here, this is so funny. This is a property I used to do actually, and man, this was one of my first properties, guys. My first property. Wow. Now she wants an estimate on it. You see what it is. This is how it is, guys. When you got your business set up the right way, you end up getting a customer at the house that you used to mow. Can't make it up. So she wants all this stuff. She got a bunch of stuff she wants removed. I know this property. It's a bunch of stuff inside of the fence right here that she's probably want removed in the back. See if I can get to the back gate. No, can't get in the back gate, but we can get all the spray removed like she wants. All these cracks, she's probably gonna want this sprayed. All these weeds removed. So we'll get our price. It's another estimate, guys. Have your business set up the right way. Probably get all this removed in the back also. Let's see, we'll take a picture so we can get that for her. She's got a bunch of stuff back here, man. I get this thing cleaned up, get it done right. Summertime, people want their yards looking good. Side of that fence. You see it, guys. Probably want all this removed. Wow, this is crazy. That's how it goes. You end up getting a property that you used to do. Get rid of all that spray. So she just wants all this gone. So it's another estimate. Let's get to one more. All right, now here's the last one. Right across from one of my family's crib. So everybody don't want to cut their yard, guys. I'm telling you. And this is where you get in, where you fit in. So it's the last one. We're gonna try to add 1,000 on for the month, just like that. Just like that. We're gonna try to add 1,000 on. Alright, so the whole point of this video was just to show you guys examples of some prices and why you got to get these prices right. Here's a ditch right here, man. I'm telling you, if it's wet, you can't get on it, and if it ain't wet, you still can't get on it. It's got to get done. So stay tuned for part 3. Can you afford to run a lawn care?